Anyway, I've never repaired a graphics card in my life. I won't lie to you guys, but I'm gonna give it a try. Let's just give it a try. Let's see. There's no harm in trying. Okay, guys. But first, let's remove the heatsink. I'm sure by now you know what to do when you are dealing with a dead motherboard. First thing that you do what a physical inspection. In this case, we won't say check your charger because there's no charger here, and we won't say check your power supply. No. The desktop is working 100%. Problem is what? It's the graphics card. So here, first thing that we do, rule number 1, check for shorts. Let's check for shorts. I know power comes in here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it comes in here, and then it goes all over the board. Okay, let's do a physical inspection. Okay, here we have a corrosion here, a big corrosion there. So how do we check for short? It's simply you take one probe, you connect it to to a screw hole. Okay, this is how you do it. One to ground, then let's check this capacitor. Okay, your multimeter, make sure it's on the continuity mode. Okay, it's on the continuity mode or the diode mode. You will see by a sign, there will be a sign of a thing. See the sign there? It's more like a tone. And the other one, it's a sign of a diode. If you don't know sign of a diode, just go online and search for and say diode symbol. They will show you. Okay, the thing is now, this is tricky. This is very tricky. It's because here there's a graphics card, so sometimes you will end up saying this is shorted only to find that the problem is right there. Only to find that it's not shorted. Since there's a graphics card, graphics chip, they don't use so much power. Okay, they have a low resistance to ground, so they try sometimes. You will think they are shorted only to find out that they are not shorted, as you can see. If you don't know, you can end up saying this is shorted. But again, there's another one here. See, it's not shorted. Not shorted at all. I'm just testing all the suspicious one. Okay. Okay, here we go. See, this is a fuse. From one side of a fuse, there's a short, but from the other side, there's no short. It means the fuse got broken. Trying to do what? To protect the board. Because one side of the fuse is shorted, but the other side, there's no short. Yeah, guys, we have a short. Okay, let's see under the microscope. I will explain everything step by step. Don't worry. See here. See this mess here. This green stuff here. You can't even see the corrosion here. See these two capacitors here. Okay, and then after that we have a fuse here. I want to show you the fuse. I want to show you what I found. Okay, let's check. Remember I said from this side there's a short. Hope you can hear my multimeter is beeping, it's making noise. I mean there's a short straight to ground, but the other side there's no short. Here there's no short. There's a short. Shorted straight to ground. It means this fuse is no longer working. Okay, what do you think happened here? Do you think it's a capacitor? Okay guys, there's a short there. Okay, let's check this. Okay, there's no short, but why I don't trust this capacitor here next to the fuse is shorted. I don't trust this capacitor. Why I don't trust this guy? But never mind, we will come there. But for now, okay, we have seen that there is a short there. We have seen that there's a short there, but the thing is, we don't know where exactly. I don't trust that capacity. Okay, anyway, what can we say? We don't know. Okay, so we have a short there, and one more thing, here we have a corrosion here. So which one should we start with? I think let's start with the corrosion. We'll never know. Maybe they're on the same power rail. We'll never know. See the corrosion here. See this capacitor. You can't even see that it was a capacitor or what. And those two resistors, we have to replace them. Okay, without wasting time, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. You need a heat gun now, and you need a flux. I'm gonna show it to you. This is exactly what we need: heat gun and the flux. And you need a tweezer as well. So let's put a little bit of flux, not too much, just a little bit. Okay. and make sure you decrease your air. Don't okay, let's use air. Let's put some air. More air. Okay, done. What about this? This is step one. And anyway, let's just stop there. Okay, I'm going to remove these two guys here. I don't trust them. I don't trust these two guys. I don't trust them. They look funny. Okay, let's check them out. Okay. The problem is here. Let's just be honest and face it. Problem is here. We have a short here. So now we don't know how many volts does this fuse take. We don't know how many volts should be here, and we don't have a schematic for this port. Let me check online. I'm just noticing something. There is a port number here. Let me just check online. Check online. It says, but I don't think we would find a schematic. Let's give it a try though. In order to do that, there's no harm. There's no harm in trying. So it's P0. Wait, it's P 0 1 0 I go. Now I'm confused. Because now I have like two. I have like two port numbers now. I don't know which one to use. But anyway, let's start with this one. The one I was typing now. enter. Oh yeah, it's 8 gig. Okay, this is the one. As you can see, the results start specified that it's an 8 gig graphics card. Okay, let me just see schematic. Let's see. Maybe lucky we can get a schematic. If we are lucky enough, we can get a schematic. No, can't find the schematic. Let's go back. It's simple. Let's just inject 1 volt here. Let's see what we have to do. Let's start with this fuel, with the capacitor. I will inject power here, and again I'll remove this fuse to conclude if it's broken, because it's broken. One side of the fuse is shorted, but the other one is not, meaning the fuse got broken. Let's warm the board step by step. Okay, fuse is out. Capacitor, it's out. Let's remove even this one. This is ugly. This is very ugly. But this one is not shorted. I did check. So to be on a safe side, let's just remove all the ugly components and try to make this brand new. Okay guys, we are done. Okay, so here we have a short, but here there is no short. And again, these capacitors, they look very ugly. We will change them now. Let's just change them. Okay, done and dusted. Okay, let's wait for a board to cool down, and then we will inject 5 volts or 1 volt here. We start from a lower voltage, 1 volt, because we don't have a schematic. I don't know how many volts flows on this power rail, so it's better to use 1 volt. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's inject 5 volts or 2 volts or 1 volt. But now I'm afraid, guys, because I don't want to kill this lovely machine, so we have to be careful there. And before we continue, let's check, because now I'm just wondering where that short is coming from. Remember, we replaced all those bad capacitors, but still short still there. So now what I want to check, okay, wait. Oh yeah, see, short there on one side of the fuse. We have a short there. Okay, I'll put here. No. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's check a power supply. Okay, this is a power supply. As you can see, it's a DC bench power supply. It's got two wires, it's got two probes, black and red. As you can see, black and red. I'm using the same power supply. So what you do, you connect ground here. Okay. Let me be sure that the thing is ground. Oh yeah, it's ground. It's beeping. Okay. See how I've connected the thing. This is ground. All right. Or otherwise, you can use screw holes. These are the screw holes. Okay, you connect one probe there, attach one probe there on the screw hole, and then with this other one, we have to inject the power there. Turn on my power supply, and then I'm gonna put it to 1 volt. Guys, what do you think? 1 volt or 2 volts? Because now I'm afraid, because I don't have the schematic and I've never repaired. Okay, yeah, 1 volt. Okay, 1.5. Okay, 1.5 volts. But anyway, guys, as I was saying, this is common sense. They won't put a fuse on on a power rail that uses less than 5 volts. It's impossible. I don't think so. I've never seen such a case. So yeah, that's why I'm saying I don't think. Yep, let's go ahead. Something's taking 2 amps. Is it the graphics chip? Okay. I'm telling you guys. Oh fuck. Ah shit. I feel like the thing's getting on. The graphics, the graphics chip. Here and I think it's taking power. Must be lying. Then it's taking power. Then it's taking power. No guys, the problem is the graphics chip. Okay. It's using 1 volt here, and yeah, it's getting warm. It's getting warm. Hish. This is so bad. This is so bad. Yeah, anyway, what can we do, guys? Anyway, before I go, please press the subscribe button right now, and I promise I'll do more and more nice videos. Keep on watching my videos. I'll keep you updated now and then. But anyway, for now, let's just say rest in peace. Sharp guys.